Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Tukaram Bharat Parab. We had said that whatever legal terms and that proactive steps will take. The first step is we have under section 499 of IPC and section 500 IPC we have filed a complaint. So rest आता मुखार आणि कितें लिगल कारवाई आसा ती आमी करतलो.
डिफेमेशन केस
whatever legal whatever is there, that procedure is started under section 499 500. What was needed that we have done. Private notice which has to be sent, that is also going. A private complaint will be filed in JMFC. So all that procedure legally कितें आहा तें we will do it. We will not spare anybody. कितें आसता when you are a public figure, उलयता आसतना you have to talk sense because people are watching you. आणि खास करून जे स्विंडनाक आनी भायर पळय जे लोक आसात who take him like a savior, म्हाका दिसता तांणी इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करपाची आतां गरज आहा की बाबा हें कितें सत्य कितें हें जावं न्ही मरे हो प्रोसिजर जावं न्ही सगळें भायर येतलें.